Hello guys, let's look into how to use AnimatedCrossFade and create a simple counter application. First, let us understand what is AnimatedCrossFade. If you have two widgets but at a time only one should be visible, then this is the widget that you should really use. For example, we have two widgets, play and pause, but at any point in time only one is visible. If you have such use case, then this is the widget. Now let's first understand how the animated crossfade works. It has two main properties: first child, second child. Specify the widgets that you want to use. In the first child we have used display icon button, and on the second child we have used the pause icon button. Now to select which child should be visible, the third important property is crossfadeState. It is an enum which decides which child to visible. For example, if you provide show first, then the first child would be visible, and if you provide show second, then the second child would be visible. In this example we have used a state flag which decides which child to visible. The fourth is the duration. Duration specifies the how long the animation should take place, that is how long it should take from changing first child to the second child. Here it is taking 1 second. You can change the value according to your use case. Now let us understand how this application works. The two things that we have used here is the text and the linear progress indicator. Provide the value between 0 to 1 to the linear progress indicator and it will animate itself. How the actual logic works is, when we click on this icon button play, we are calling the change state function, and inside the change state we are first changing the state. That is, if the state is false we are changing it to true, and if it is true we are changing it to false. Now if the state is false, we are using timer.periodic. Timer.periodic is nothing but an interval function which is called after every second, and after every second we are again changing the counter, and whenever the counter reaches 11 we are resetting the application and we are changing the state, and when the state is changed, the widget that is visible is also changed. And when we are clicking on the pause button or the pause icon button, we are cancelling the interval, or we are stopping the interval. If you want to use the interval, you need to import Dart async package, otherwise you would not be able to use it. I think you understand how the animated crossfade works and how this counter application is also working. If you have any further doubts, write it in the comment section and I will respond to you. And for this code is available on the Github. The link is provided in the description. If you found this video useful, do not forget to subscribe or share with your friends. It means a lot to me. And thank you and have a nice day guys. Bye.